Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. There is a walk-in interview at Ajanta Pharma, a company engaged in development, manufacturing and marketing of quality finished dosages, and the formulation facility is at Dahej, Gujarat, and the vacancies in the department are manufacturing or packing. For the designation is assistant officer or senior officer with the qualification of B.Pharm or M.Pharm with 2 to 8 years of experience. Another department is quality control. For the designation is assistant officer or senior officer with the qualification of B.Sc or M.Sc or B.Pharm or M.Pharm with 2 to 8 years of experience. And another department is manufacturing or packing. For the designation is associate or operator with the qualification of 10th, 12th or ITI or Diploma or D.Pharm with 2 to 8 years of experience. Walk-in interview candidates can take the copy of latest resume, CTC breakup and passport size photos. And the date of the interview is at 13th August 2023 from 9 am to 5 pm at Hotel Lemon Tree, Baddi, District Salon, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Candidates who attended this interview for the last few 6 months are not eligible. Who cannot attend the interview can share their CV through the mail ID given below. Thank you all for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Pharma Job Alert and get more updates related to jobs.